Well, let's talk about our own weather here in central Indiana. Hot and humid today, and we want to make sure that we're keeping you weather aware, Felicia, because we got some storms out there today.
Yeah, are we looking at cloud coverage or haze here?
That's a hot, humid haze and a few clouds.
It's been a lot happening this summer.
Yeah, in a beautiful white river.
Yep.
You needed some water to cool off
Sure
today.
did.
We were close to 90 for a high, close to 100 in terms of feels like temperatures. And you mentioned the storms. We're starting to see just a few pop up on live Doppler 13 radar. So that will be our first stop this evening, just in case you're out and about. Do stay weather aware. These pop-up showers may at times contain a little bit of lightning. This one coming out of Lawrence, so close-up view of Marion County. It's moving northeast to Fortville, right along Highway 36. No lightning there and non-severe. And that other one we were tracking in between Elwood and Frankton, Alexandria. It was moving your way, but it is continuing to fall apart. What's not falling apart at this point, a line of storms, some strong to severe from Milwaukee to just east of St. Louis. This is the line that we're going to continue to keep an eye on over the next several hours. Northwestern part of the state under the risk of severe weather. You can see it highlighted here in green, with a greater threat up toward northern Illinois and the Chicago area. Future Track 13 does show that line weakening just a little bit between now and 7 o'clock when it gets closer to the state line. So we'll continue to watch this for you. But anywhere from Lafayette to Kokomo, Marion to Peru could have a couple of stronger cells develop early this evening. That was 11 o'clock. This is 3 a.m. This boundary will continue to move from west to east across the state and can't rule out a stray shower or rumble of thunder overnight. The other part of the weather story today, the high heat, high humidity, feels like temperatures for most of us anywhere from 95 to almost 100. Feels like 95 in Indianapolis, Greencastle, Bloomington. Feels like 96 in Bedford. At times has felt like 100 in Terre Haute. Current feels like temperature is 99. We're back over downtown Indianapolis, where we currently have 89 degrees. Winds are out of the south at 13. There's that dew point in that uncomfortable, miserable range at 70. We do get a break from that later in the week. 90 and 69. Those are the numbers from today. 95 degrees above our average, but nowhere near record warmth. That record of 103 set back in 2012. Shouldn't get to 90 tomorrow. More clouds around, a few showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms in that Thursday forecast. We'll be into the mid 80s for highs. Still a very muggy day, but the concentration of rain and storms looks to shift east and southeast. That's 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. May actually have a couple of cells develop late morning, early afternoon. Again, across the eastern part of the state, some additional showers and thunderstorms developing with daytime heating, mainly across the southern sections of Indiana. That will continue off and on through tomorrow evening. As we get into Friday, all of that rain threat moves out and we get a bit of a break from the high heat, high humidity. Friday forecast 63 at 8 a.m., 75 midday. Highs on Friday in the low to mid 80s. More importantly, a break from the muggy meter. You're really going to feel that weather pattern change. Still very muggy tomorrow. That muggy meter dips into the comfortable range on Friday, but that doesn't really last long. We'll be back to that mugginess as we head into Saturday and Sunday. We'll also be tracking additional storm chances as we head into the weekend. So the overall weather pattern continues to be very, very active. 84, a few showers and thunderstorms, mainly east and south during the day tomorrow, so not a washout for everybody. Sunny and pleasant, 86 degrees on Friday. Storm chances do return for the weekend. If you're already making weekend plans, most of the coverage looks to be on Saturday with a high of 80. Less coverage, so more dry time expected on Sunday, 81. This storm chance will continue through the early part of next week.